Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification on all my latest videos. Friends, welcome to MCK Tech Portal. My name is Mahantesh, and today we are going to see how I fixed my Note-3 mic issue. First, let us understand what is the mic issue which I faced in Note-3. Whenever I used to make a call to someone, they were not able to hear me, but I was able to hear them. And if I turn on the speaker, then only they were able to hear me. This was the problem with my Note-3. There could be two possibilities if your mobile microphone is not working. One is software problem and another one is hardware problem. I'm not going to touch upon the software problem here. There are a lot of good videos on the YouTube which will help you if it is just software related. First try those, and after that, if it does not work, please come to this video wherein actually I did all of them and it did not work for me. After that, I did a thorough examination of the mobile phone for any physical damages, and to my surprise, at the corner where the microphone is located, I saw a dent, and that's how I determined this could be a hardware problem. So let me tell you the motivation behind repairing it myself. I actually approached Xiaomi service centers in Bangalore, specifically Rajajinagar and Malleshwaram branch. Their service is pathetic. When I approached Rajajinagar, they said they stopped supporting Note-3, and even though they place order, they will not receive the spare parts. That's what they said. Even I inquired in the Malleshwaram branch as well, and there they said they don't have stock right now, and if they order, it will take more than a week. That is when I decided that I'm going to fix it on my own. Now let me show you one of the methods from which you can check whether your microphone is working or not. Go to the tools and then click on the record and start the recording. You can see there is no waves or there is no vibration in the application. It means that it's not able to record any voice. The faulty microphone is situated in the subboard of the phone. I ordered the subboard from Amazon, and you can find the details on screen. First I ordered it from Alia. Even though it was fitting well into the Note-3, some of the functionalities like speaker and charging got degraded. Charging was very slow and the speaker volume was very low. Then I returned it and ordered from Sai Associate. This time around it was a perfect match and everything was working as a new phone. Now let's see how I replace the subboard on my Note-3. First, remove the cover from the phone. Then you need to turn off your phone, and from the SIM ejector tool you need to remove the SIM ejector SIM tray. Now we'll remove the back cover with the help of the plucker. It's just a lock mechanism, no screws involved here. You can easily detach those locks with the help of the plucker. Once all the locks are detached, slowly remove the back cover, as there is a bus connector from back cover to the main board. Now let's slowly remove the screws from the subboard, which is located in the bottom. Now with the help of your nails, try to detach the speaker panel from the subboard. You can see beside micro USB there is a speaker panel and the speaker has come out of it. Now with the help of the fingernails, try to remove the bus connector and the point connector from main board to the subboard. And as all the connections to the subboard are removed, now you can take out the subboard from the phone itself. Now let's look at the new subboard which I ordered from Amazon, and you can see beside micro USB there is a speaker portion. This is how it looks like, and which was actually got detached from my phone's subboard. Now let's connect it to the phone and connect back the bus connector as well as the point connector. Make sure it is connected perfectly, no loose connection. And now let's fix the speaker portion and put the screws back. Now put the back cover by connecting bus connector from back cover to the main board. Let's put the SIM card and the memory. Now turn on the mobile phone. We'll just test first and then we'll fix it permanently. Fix the back cover permanently. Mobile phone is on. Touch screen is working fine. Now let us test the speaker first. Go to the recorder and start recording. Now you can see there is a wave on the application. Turn off the mobile phone. Remove the SIM tray. Now fix the back cover perfectly. Put the SIM tray back. Now again let's turn on the mobile phone. Now let me show the charging of the mobile. Let me connect the charger. Yeah, once it is connected you can see the green color and the light, charging light is on. So charging is also perfect. Now let me play some music on YouTube and let's see how the speaker works. Speaker fine. From Flipkart's exchange offer on Xiaomi phones, you can test all the component working of your Note 3 phone. Tests are self-explanatory. All the tests passed without any issues. Everything's perfect. This particular think mic problem is similar in Note 4 as well, so the same fix can be applied for Note 4 as well, but the Note 4 subboard will be different, so you need to order Note 4 subboard. I hope you like this video. If so, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family, and comment, let me know if you want to see any other troubleshooting videos on Note 3. If I get some time, I'll try to make those videos for you. With this note, see something useful, see something interesting. Until next time, see you, bye bye.